In this video, we will talk about how to fix part of this app has been blocked in Windows 11. Step 1. Add to exclusion. Click in Search, type Windows Security. Select Open. On the left, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down. Under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click on Manage Settings. Scroll down. Click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Click on Yes. Now click on Add an exclusion. Select your option based on your file type. As we know, the app has been blocked. So I'm selecting File. From here, select the file location. For me, it's in C drive. Let me click on this PC. Double-click on local disk C. Open the folder, and here we have that app. Select it and click on Open. Here, you can see the app has been added as an exclusion. Step 2. Smart App Control and Reputation-Based Protection. Click on App and Browser Control. Select Smart App Control Settings and turn Smart App Control Settings off. Select Yes, I'm sure. Then click on Yes. Again, click on App and Browser Control. Select Reputation-Based Protection Settings. From here, turn off Smart Screen from Microsoft Edge. Then, check Apps and Files. Click on Yes. Scroll down. Turn off Smart Screen from Microsoft Store apps. Step 3. Allow the app through Firewall. Click on Firewall and Network Protection. Scroll down. Select Allow an app through Firewall. Click on Change Settings. Now search for the app that's causing the issue. Select it and check both private and public options. Click on OK, and it's done. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. See you in the next video.